Today we're talking all about personal finance, and how you can manage your finances to become more secure and successful in life. We know that managing your personal finances can be intimidating and overwhelming at first, but it doesn't have to be so daunting. With a little bit of effort and knowledge, you can take control of your financial future and make sure that you are always staying on top of your money. Managing your personal finances is one of the most important skills you can have in life. It's essential for achieving financial freedom and security, as well as for setting yourself up for long-term success. With proper money management, you can make sure that your finances are always in order, allowing you to save more money and reduce debt over time. Additionally, managing your personal finances gives you the power to make smart investments that will pay off in the future. By taking control of your financial situation now, you'll be able to enjoy a more secure and prosperous future down the road. Failing to manage your personal finances can have long-term consequences that will affect every aspect of your life. Without proper money management, you may find yourself in a precarious financial situation with no way out. You might be unable to pay bills on time or make enough money to cover basic needs such as food and housing. Additionally, failing to manage your personal finances can lead to increased debt levels and an inability to save for the future. These issues can cause major stress and anxiety, leading you down a path of financial insecurity that is difficult to recover from. To avoid these problems, it's essential that you take control of your finances now by learning how best to budget and save for the future. Here are some tips on managing your finances. First off, budgeting is key. You need to create a budget for yourself that outlines how much money is coming in and where it's going out. Setting limits for yourself will help make sure that you only spend what you have available. Once you have a budget set up, think about creating an emergency fund so that if something unexpected pops up, such as an accident or medical bill, you'll be prepared to cover it without falling into debt or missing payments on other bills. Make sure to set aside some money each month so that when these incidents arise, you'll have the funds ready in case of an emergency situation. Another important tip is to stay connected with your bank accounts and credit cards by setting up alerts or notifications so that you can always keep track of what transactions are taking place within those accounts. This way, if there are any suspicious activities occur, such as fraud or identity theft attempts, then you will be able to spot them quickly and take action before anything serious happens. Finally, start paying down any existing debt you have outstanding as soon as possible. Carrying large amounts of debt can really damage your credit score over time and prevent you from getting approved for loans when needed in the future. Therefore, start paying off existing debts right away so that they don't become unmanageable later on down the line. Take control of your finances today and download our free monthly budget worksheet. This easy-to-use budget template will help you track your income and expenses, set financial goals for yourself, and stay on top of your spending. The link is in this video's description. We hope these tips help get the ball rolling with managing your own personal finances. Remember, it takes some dedication and practice at first, but once you get into a better habit with tracking and saving money, then it will become second nature. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more tips on managing your personal finances.